Step 5, sort the table by make in alphabetical order and then add a second level. The first thing you want to do is come over here to the make column and click sort in alphabetical order, and it will order your cars with the BMWs first and the Toyotas last. And then the next thing you want to do is come on over here, highlight your table. I like to highlight the table. And then come over to Sort and Filter on your Home tab. At Sort and Filter, I've already built this custom sort, but I'm going to show you how I did it. I click Custom Sort, and we have a sort by make, which is what we just did, and values in A to Z. And now it's asking us to add a second level sort by year. So we add level, and then we go by year, and it asks us to do smallest to largest. Then it asks for a third sort by sticker price. We add sort, we say by sticker price, and again smallest to largest, and click OK. And so now it has your oldest car, your BMW, a 2000, listed first for $22,000, and that's your least expensive oldest BMW. And that's the end of step 5. Step 6, repeat the field names on all pages. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Page Layout tab. And on Page Layout tab, you want to go ahead and go into Print Titles. In Print Titles, on the Sheet tab right here, you want to print titles of print rows to repeat at top. So you click here, and then you highlight A1 to F1. Or you can just type it, since it doesn't want to do that for me, A1 to F1. And there's nothing wrong with going ahead and doing an absolute cell reference on that area. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to hit F4. It should give me a dollar sign. It did not. I'm going to go ahead and try it again. I'm going to just add those dollar signs. I happen to be on a laptop, and it doesn't really like that, does it? All right. And this is telling it's not going to do it because we're in an interactive table. A1, F1. That's what we're going to stick with. We want these rows to repeat at top as titles on all sheets. So we're going to go ahead and go OK. And we'll just check and make sure, and there it is, VIN, date, sticker, sales price. And over here, we have VIN, date, sticker, sale price. So we're good. You'll notice that some of the titles change because some of the different tables don't have all the same information. And that's the end of step 6. Step 7, change page breaks so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. So we've got all our vehicle makes of our BMWs. We want to go down to where the BMWs stop and where the Chevy Malibu starts. And so I'm going to click in cell A34. I'm going to go ahead and turn it a color. You don't have to do this, but I want you to see where I was working at so you could easily find that location on your cell, on your worksheets. I clicked in cell A34, and then I'm going to go to Page Layout and Page Break. I want to insert a page break. I click that. When I do that, you see a little gray line here, and if you're real careful, hopefully on the video you can see the little dotted ants or dotted sign, kind of like marching ants, people say. That gray line lets you know that the page break was made, and this printable line shows you where it would print and not include this stuff over to the right. So now we need to go on down to the next car series. Oops, I went too far. After Chevy, the next one is cell 4T6, and I'm going to turn that one pink too so you can see what I'm working at. I'm in cell A46. I'm going to go to Insert. Again, in Page Layout is where I'm supposed to be, and hit Breaks, hit Insert Page Break. And again, you can see my gray line and my dotted line. I'm going to come on past the Ford makes. And then I'm on the Honda Civic. I'm on cell A69, and I'm going to go to Page Layout tab. I'm going to go to Break, and I'm going to Insert Break. I can again see my gray line, hope you can at home. And I'm going to come on down. And I'm at Toyota, and I'm going to click cell A90. And on the Page Layout tab in cell A90, I'm going to prick Breaks for Page Break, and I'm going to click Insert Page Break. And I'm going to, I believe that's it. That's the end of our pages. So each one of those will print on its own page, each make. I saved, and that's the end of step 7.